Hi, my name is Amy. I'm the founder and CEO of Requity Homes. We help turn renters into homeowners. In Canada, 2 million rental households are paying rent that is higher than the cost of owning a home, yet they still cannot qualify for a mortgage. And that's why we created Requity Homes, a tech-enabled rent-own platform targeting aspiring home buyers who are not mortgage ready. And our mission is to create a fair and flexible alternative path to homeownership. By leveraging alternative data to better underwrite and assess aspiring homebuyers' mortgage readiness, we're able to identify qualified candidates who have a high likelihood of getting a mortgage in the next 2 to 3 years. And here's how it works. Renter clients get qualified with us to assess their eligibility and buying power. Once fully approved, they will be paired out with a local real estate agent to find the home they like. Once a home is chosen, we will buy it and rent it back to them while helping them get ready for a mortgage, at which time they can buy back the home at a predetermined price. Through our program, our clients can now live in a single-family home today, lock in that future buyback price based on a conservative annual appreciation rate, and have expanded homes to choose from. We're live in the market, and since February this year, we have helped 4 families purchasing 4 homes totaling $875,000 in Northern Ontario. And our happy customers include new business owners who don't have the 2-year operating history required by traditional lenders, a family with fair credit score lacking the 20% down payment to access B and C lenders, and a newcomer couple who haven't had a chance to build up their Canadian credit history yet. As a business, we have 3 revenue streams: realtor commissions, mortgage commissions, and fees charged to real estate investors. This model has been proven out in the US by Divvy Homes and Lenders. Divvy recently reached a $2 billion valuation, and now we're taking a Canadian approach at it. Our team has over 50 years of combined experience. I work at RBC Capital Markets in their equity research group covering the real estate sector. I know how institutional real estate investors think. I also work at RBC Ventures, helping the bank execute its strategy in the PropTech space. I'm very well versed in the industry. We're backed by institutional investor Highland Beta. We have experienced advisor group, including Ben, the founding partner of Highland Beta, Barry Lava, the managing director, head of venture capital private equity RBC, and serial entrepreneurs like Anshu Kapoor and Derek Suzito. In the previous LiONS LAIR meeting with 3 business lines, we scored excellent across all categories. It's reassuring to receive the positive feedback, and we will keep the momentum going. We're Requity Homes. We're building a new path to homeownership. Thank you.